Where do you live?
I live in a tiny house.
Oh, a tiny house. I've heard of those. Those are pretty nice.
Yeah, they are pretty cool until it rains like this. Every time it rains outside like a hurricane, my house always floats away and then it gets caught in the sewer and I gotta get it out.
My goodness, that sounds terrible.
I don't know what I'm gonna do tonight.
Well, why don't you stay here the night with us? You could sleep in Sweetie's bed.
What?
Sweetie could just take the couch.
I don't want to sleep on the soggy couch.
Man, I want the couch.
Make yourself at home.
Let's get it.
Sweetie, why don't you go get him a blanket? There's one in the closet. I'm just gonna give him a towel.
No, give me the pink one.
Of course, you're the guest. There you go.
Wait, can you tuck me in too?
No, sweetie. If you need anything, let us know. Good night.
Good night, Mom.